Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Julia Oliverius, and today I want to share with you a little bit about setting spray. So, for me, I had never used a setting spray until I don't know, about 9 months ago. Didn't really even know they existed, to be honest. I'm always learning new things. So, what I really like about setting spray is that you can also use it as a primer. Now, if you've seen my other tutorials, you know that I am absolutely in love with the translucent setting powder because it gives a magical, flawless finish. It helps you blend so well, but I also like to use a setting spray. Now, as I mentioned, the setting spray, you can actually use it as a primer. So you just spray it on your face, kind of fan it, let it dry. And then once you've done your makeup, then you can use it to set your makeup. Now, for me, I particularly like to use this on days where I am wearing makeup and I know that I'm going to be getting sweaty. So like today, heading to run club, gonna be sweating. This really keeps your makeup in place and keeps it from looking like crap throughout the day. So when you use this, you only need to spray it in like an X and then a T. So I'll show you guys, you hold it about 6 to 8 inches from your face. So let's do this. That's it. And you can see, kind of mists my face. And then what you can do is obviously let that dry, but you can actually use this throughout the day to kind of refresh your makeup. It smells good, it feels good on your face, but what that's doing is that is setting your makeup in place. Think of it like hairspray for your face, okay? Because that's basically the same type of a concept. It does not feel sticky. It just helps keep your makeup in place, keeps it from smudging, keeps it from budging, okay? So it's really a must-have, especially on days where you aren't gonna have time to touch up your makeup. I mean, really, who wants to have to do that anyway? So setting spray can be a total time saver for you in your makeup game. So again, you can use this as a primer if you want more of a matte finish, and you absolutely use it at the end after you've applied your makeup to set it. So if you guys have questions about setting sprays, let me know. Be happy to chat with you about it. In the meantime, feel free to hop over to my website, juliaoliverius.com. Check out the My Community tab. That's where you can become a VIP member. You can download my free ebook or shop through my online store. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.